In our last video, we promised to show you a creature that eats a victim's tongue and literally becomes the new tongue.
But before we reveal nature's most disturbing parasite, you need to survive 9 other nightmares. From a bug that wears the corpses of its victims, to the demogorgon of the sea. Welcome back to Rising Ursa. Here are 10 more bizarre and dangerous creatures that will haunt your dreams. At number 10 is the sarcastic fringehead. Looking at this tiny fish hiding in a shell, you might think it's completely harmless. But when it gets angry, its mouth violently rips open, like the demogorgon from Stranger Things. Its mouth expands wider than its entire body to intimidate enemies. It is one of the most shocking transformations in the ocean. At number 9 is the hagfish. This ancient, blind creature has no bones. When a predator, like a shark, tries to eat it, it unleashes the ultimate defense. In less than a second, it fires out gallons of thick, suffocating slime. The slime instantly clogs the shark's gills. Choking and panicking, the shark spits the hagfish out and swims away to survive. At number 8 is the assassin bug. This insect completely lives up to its terrifying name, but its defense mechanism is pure horror. It hunts other insects, injects them with a paralyzing venom, and literally drinks their insides like a juice box. But the nightmare doesn't end there. It glues the dead corpses of its victims to its back, wearing them as armor to scare off predators. At number 7 is the Goliath tigerfish. Lurking in the dark rivers of Africa, this is a real-life river monster. Forget piranhas, this beast grows up to 5 feet long and has interlocking teeth the size of a great white shark's. It is so aggressive and powerful that it literally leaps out of the water to catch and eat flying birds right out of the sky.
At number 6 is the vampire squid. Don't let the name fool you. It doesn't drink blood, but its defense is pure nightmare fuel.
When a predator approaches, it performs a horrifying trick. It literally turns its entire body completely inside out. It forms a menacing black umbrella covered in glowing spikes to completely confuse and terrify anything trying to eat it.
At number 5 is the tarantula hawk wasp. This giant wasp has the second most painful sting on the planet, and it uses it for true evil. It hunts massive tarantulas, stinging them to completely paralyze them. But it doesn't kill the spider. It drags it into a dark hole.
The wasp lays a single egg inside the living spider. When the baby hatches, it slowly eats the spider alive from the inside out. At number 4 is another mind-controlling parasite, Leucochloridium. This parasite infects a normal snail and crawls directly into its eyes. It severely swells the snail's eyes, making them violently pulsate with bright colors to look exactly like juicy, dancing caterpillars. It then mind-controls the zombie snail, forcing it out into the open sunlight, just so a hungry bird will swoop down and eat its eyes.
At number 3 is the bobbit worm. Hidden completely beneath the ocean sand, this 10-foot-long nightmare is the ultimate ambush predator.
It waits for a fish to swim just a millimeter too close. And then, with the speed of lightning, it violently erupts from the sand. Using jaws that are sharp as scissors, it snaps its prey in half and instantly drags it down into the dark abyss. At number 2 is the candiru. Found in the Amazon River, this tiny, transparent fish is the stuff of pure urban legends. It is a parasitic vampire fish that usually swims into the gills of larger fish to lock in and feast on their blood. But horror stories say that if a human swims in the river, this tiny needle-like fish can swim straight up the human body in the most painful way imaginable. And finally, at number 1, the moment you've been waiting for, the tongue-eating louse. This horrifying parasite enters through a fish's gills and attaches itself directly to the fish's tongue. It drains the blood until the tongue rots and falls off. But it doesn't leave. The parasite attaches its own body to the stump and literally becomes the fish's brand new, living tongue.
If you thought replacing a tongue was terrifying, wait until you see the insect that performs precision brain surgery to turn giant bugs into helpless zombie pets. Nature is an absolute nightmare.
If you survived this list, prove it by hitting that subscribe button and telling us which creature terrified you the most. See you in the next episode of Rising Ursa.